All right, I think we'll go ahead and get started. I'm Melissa Barnett. I'm the Associate Director for Research and Evaluation in the Teaching and Learning Lab. I lead and manage the Data Talks team, which is a cross-unit team. And welcome to year two. We look a little different this time, as you can tell, than the last time we saw you, but we're very happy to have you here. I wanted to just say a few things before we have our presenters present and speak with us. Attendees today, I want to let you know that today for our launch, we are going to be raffling off 2 copies of Calling Bullshit, The Art of Skepticism in a Data-Driven World. It is a relatively new book, I think only a month or 2 old, and it's been reviewed by The Economist and other outlets. Just as an FYI, you will, if you are a winner, one of those 2 winners, you will get an email from Dan Nociavelli from the Teaching and Learning Lab, just trying to reach out to you to get your contact information so that he can set up delivery. So if you get that email, you're a winner, and you can respond to it and give Dan your information. I just want to say a few things about year 2. We are different this year. We are all via Zoom. We also are going to be shortening the events. They'll be anywhere from 40 to 45 minutes with some buffer in between so that you can have a comfortable buffer between anything else you actually have on your list to do and not running from one meeting to the other. We are also going to have, they're also going to be occurring every other month. So unlike last year where we had events pretty much every month on the 3rd Thursdays, this will be every other month. Our next event will be in November, and you'll hear about that in our newsletter. If you are not part of our newsletter, we'd encourage you to go on over to datatalks.mit.edu and sign up and subscribe. You'll get a newsletter from us. We're also starting where we have a monthly newsletter, and that has both our events in it, other events we think that might be pertinent, and some resources for you. And finally, recordings of each of our events will be put up briefly after the event on our website. So if you want to go back and see anything, or you want to check something out, they're going to be chunked so they're a little more easily accessible to you and to others who may not have been able to attend. Also, before I introduce our presenters, I just want to say that another new addition this year, we're going to be launching Data Dialogues. We're going to be launching that in October. It will be every other month, we anticipate, and it will be 30 minutes for you to chat with others who are data-minded individuals. We hear that a lot of people would like to connect with others and network with those on campus, and so we're going to try that in October, and it's just going to be 30 minutes of conversation with others focused on data. So those are my announcements. I'm going to introduce our presenters, which you came for today. We have Kate Doria. She is Assistant Director in Institutional Research. And we have Jason McKnight, who is the Assistant Director of MindHandHeart. And they are going to be talking to you today about the MIT Pulse Survey Series. You may have already participated. I believe there have already been 2 rounds. They're going to tell you a little bit about that today, as well as provide some of the findings and showcase different types of data visualizations that aren't only how they're going to showcase Pulse survey information, but where you might find those in another report or online and come across them in the future. So take it away, Kate and Jason.